don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates who loses via penalties. I'm joined by Mike Wakastole.
Yebo njani Sithibo?
Ngiyaphila baba wami.
Hayi ukuzama.
Sure time.
Ngiyakhala Sithibo ngoba njoba bona ngiphethe ibhodi njoba kade ibhale operation thatha zonke.
Yes, yami.
Sengizofaka edustbin mase kunje.
Yeah.
Angeke ngisaphatha next game.
Eish.
So ucoach la khona akazama ukuthi ahloniphe team.
Yes, Samalani.
Ahloniphe team abalandeli.
Yes, Samalani.
Ubona igame namhlanje ubeku empty.
Yes, Samalani.
Because of igame lekade is FNB.
Yes, Samalani.
Kuba empty weekend.
Yeah.
During the week they sold out.
Yes, Samalani.
Kuba empty ngani abantu masiza la sizojabula zelanga uzokhala la.
Yes. Yes.
Football is entertainment.
Yes.
Masiza la kumele sijabule. Asali ukuthi iluzi iba khona. Iwin and lose iba khona kodwa waye kushintsha iline up njalo.
Eish.
I-first 11 ewinayo kusasa yashintsha uzanabanye.
Eish.
Kunabantu kungamela bakhishwe. Bengifuna ukwazi ucoach mina angimsabi kumbuza. Uhoto bekamkhiphelana ngifuna ukwazi uhoto umkhiphelana. Uyayibona igame isezokhoma kuma penalty.
Yeah.
Uhoto uye umuntu ospecialize ngama penalty.
Sure.
Befana ashaya i-first penalty uhoto uyamkhipha ubani uzothatha i-first penalty ufuna ukwazi
Mbuthu Sibizi.
hayi man wazi asifuna ukuthi sithi ama player wethu obani asifuna kuya lapha kodwa ucoach akahloniphi i-badge team.
Yeah.
Siyahlonishwa thina njengoba usibona kanje Sithibo.
Sure time la.
Siyahlonishwa and sesidume ngawe futhi wena usidumise Sithibo sesile.
Sure time la.
Nokumabona kude sesikhona because of wena Sithibo.
Ufikile baba wami.
Sengifikile.
Imali yona.
Sesidumile njengoba usibona kanje because of wena Sithibo ngokuwina kwePirates akithi.
Sure time la.
So i-team siyayithanda siyayisupport i-team yethu kodwa ucoach akahloniphi i-team.
Yes.
Sifuna lokho nje kuphela.
Just the respect.
Ungashinji into eright. Ayilungiswa into engaphukanga.
Yes, Samalani. Yes, Samalani.
Ukushinja i-first 11 every day, ushinji combination angeke bekhona. So ucoach akasilungisele lawo ma mistake. First 11 ewinayo upusha yona, upheshe umuntu onecard or umuntu one-injury.
Yeah.
Ngoba sona nge-combination.
Sure.
Ama goal awekho.
Yeah.
I-top goal scorer ku-errors ile emuva thina siphezulu kodwa ama goal asinawo.
Ngiyakuthola.
Kusho ngamanye amagama asiscore.
Ngiyakuthola.
So akulungiswe labo coach angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi.
Yeah.
Coach lungisa indawo ye-striking first.
Yeah.
Sifuna ama goal. Uphinde ulungise nasemuva.
Yeah.
I-backline ukhulume no captain wakho coach.
Yeah.
Coach ukhuluma no captain wakho.
Sibizi.
Coach ukhuluma no captain wakho alungise lawo maphutha. Siyazi ake umuntu ungalezi iphutha. Uzoba right umfana. Kodwa ucoach akakhulumi no captain. Ngoba ba ucaptain kumele sifunde kuwe. Abafana kumele bafunde kuwe.
Yeah, ngiyakuthola.
So wena captain mawuzenza into engekho.
Eish.
Uzokwazi ukuthi uba blame abafana.
It's a flop.
Yes, so coach ukhuluma no captain azama kuba umuntu omdala ehlisa umoya.
Sure.
Abe stable.
Yeah.
Yayibona lento ukuthi njalo mawuphethe ibhola ba under pressure uyi-captain. Asifuni lento captain. Hayi ukuthi siyakuzonda captain siyakuthanda mfowethu. Siyabonga.
Thank you Samalani.
Thank
you baba.